me, the Great Papyrus, and I'm going to be teaching you how to cook some amazing frozen hot dogs. Holy string!
Today we'll learn how to cook some frozen hot dogs. The tools and supplies needed include frozen hot dog bun, pot, plate, plastic paper or other, tongs, water, and stove. Step 1. Grab the hot dogs from the freezer. Place them into a pot of cold water. Step 2. Pressure water hot dogs when the freezer in the first place as the hot dogs thaw, changing the water every 30 minutes. Step 3. While this happens, put a pot of water to boil on the stove. Step 4. Insert the hot dogs into the boiling water once it's boiling at around 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5. Boil the hot dogs for 6 to 7 minutes. It is best to boil it slowly at a low temperature to prevent bursting from heat or muted flavors from the cold. Step 6. Prepare the hot dog buns, grabbing them from a cabinet and placing them open on a plate. Step 7. Carefully place the hot dogs onto the hot dog buns using tongs to prevent burning yourself. Step 8. Add on your toppings of choice, which may include mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, lettuce, cheese, soy sauce, sour cream, hot sauce, or other that may have not listed. Step 9. Enjoy your hot dogs.
Connection terminated.